Hi guys, this is Tanmaya. Welcome to my channel. So we have completed 16 sounds. We will be doing more sounds, which are the next 8 sounds. Today we will be covering the next 4 sounds. So we will be done with 20 sounds today. So we have been doing voiceless sounds and voice sounds, and we have been doing these consonant sounds in pairs. The first sound for today is the h sound. H. Like happy, behave, right? All these words which have the h sound. Now, where is the sound produced and what happens when you say this sound? H. When you say this sound, your tongue is pulled backwards. H. It's a voiceless sound. You can feel a lot of puff of air for this sound. However, this does not have a pair unlike the other sounds. Now that we know where the sound is produced in our mouth, let's look at a few words and sentences that have the h sound. Healthy. We must follow a healthy diet. Handsome. You look handsome. Inhale. Inhale and exhale slowly. We just did the h sound. Let's move on to the r sound. Now, where is this sound produced in your mouth? When I say the r sound, my tongue rolls backwards. R. It touches the roof of the mouth and falls down. R. Roll it back and touch the roof of the mouth and it falls down. R. Let's look at a few words and sentences that have the r sound. Prepare. We have 15 days to prepare for the exams. Carrot. I like to add grated carrot to my soup. Returned. She just returned from Canada. The next sound for today is the l sound. L. See, when I'm saying this sound, you will know where it's produced in my mouth. L. It's staying right behind the front teeth. L is going to the alveolar ridge again. L. But it's not the tongue tip, it's the tongue. L. It touches the alveolar ridge and falls back. That's where the sound is produced in my mouth. Let's look at a few sentences which will make you understand this sound better. Beautiful. You can also pronounce this word as beautiful. Both are correct. You are the most beautiful human being I have ever met. Elevator. We were stuck in the elevator for about 20 minutes. The next word that I am going to pronounce is always mispronounced and murdered or crucified, like I always say. Low. I love you. If you propose someone like that, definitely your proposal is going to be declined. I am 100% sure about that. So L-O-V-E is not pronounced as low, my dear friends. It's love. Remember, it has a V. Whenever you have a V in your word, you have to bite your V's. So if you pronounce it correctly like love, you will never end up mispronouncing it. So this word, love, okay, love. La in the beginning, ver towards the end. We all love our parents. The next sound is one of my favorite sounds again, which is the w sound. Which is W. All the words which have W in the beginning, middle, end, all of that. I am talking about all such words. And when you have the w sound, you're supposed to kiss it. What happens when you say the w sound or pronounce words which have W in the spelling, the w sound in the word? W. When I'm saying w, I have to kiss. I have to be in the kissing position. And my tongue stays right behind the lower set of teeth. It's staying right behind the lower set of teeth here. W. Let's look at a few sentences which have the w sound. Commonly mispronounced word again. One of the days of the week. You guessed it right. It's Wednesday. No, that's not how it's pronounced. It's Wednesday. Like you ask, when's the day? When's and day, not Wednesday. It is not a trisyllabic word. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. Nia is traveling to Washington on Wednesday. So Washington is one word with W. So Washington, Wednesday. Woman, not woman, woman. Martha is a very kind woman. The next word is one of my favorites. Know why? Because it begins with a V and ends with a W. V-O-W. If you say wow and wow are both interchanged all the time. When I say wow, what a beautiful dress, right? I am talking about W-O-W. Wow, like amazing, fantastic. But when I'm talking about V-O-W, I'm talking about a pledge or an oath that I'm trying to take here. A vow. I take a vow not to lie in the future. I take a vow that I will abstain from eating chocolates. That is what I'm talking about here. Vow, V-O-W. So this word is one of my favorites. The reason is that you start with a bite and end with a kiss. I'm not talking about biting or kissing anyone here. I'm talking about biting your V's, because in this word, V comes in the beginning, right? V-O-W. So bite your V's. Vow. See how I'm saying this sound? Vow. You're supposed to bite your V's. Vow. Kiss, because W is coming in the end. I hope you enjoyed learning today's sounds as well. So we have completed 20 sounds now. If you have any questions, you can always let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.